kitchen. I haven't slept all night. Basically I only had like 2-3 hours of sleep. I woke up at 2:30 a.m. and I haven't slept since. It's already 6 a.m. I've been trying to get ready to make this video, cleaning the kitchen, putting my son back to sleep, basically all night, like 5 times. So yeah, it's been a really rough night for me, but you know what, I have to keep up with the positivity. And I made myself already like cinnamon tea. This has no sugar. Usually I drink coffee every single day, but I'm gonna start weaning myself off slowly from coffee. But this is cinnamon tea. It's really good. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready to cook. Okay, I'm gonna pull up my hair. So these are the ingredients that I will be using. Okay, I'm gonna mix the eggs with the half and half. Obviously, cook the butter, cook the bread with butter. Okay, and I'm gonna be mixing. Oh yeah, the berries. Okay. Oh, and cornstarch. Okay, so these are all the ingredients I will be using for my okay, so for my recipe I will be using a cinnamon stick. I will be using a cinnamon stick for when I make the jam, strawberry jam, and I'm gonna add this superfood in the strawberry jam and cook it with this, or maybe keep it raw so that way I don't cook the raw superfood ingredients. Okay, this will ensure that I will be getting vitamins and minerals that I'm consuming. At least I'm trying to consume somewhat healthier, right? And not so much fats, right? These are like, it's like healthier, I guess, I suppose. But this is a sugar. I like getting this name brand. Okay, I really enjoy buying this one. I get very, I guess, irritated when they don't have this one. I have to buy the white sugar. Okay, but anyways, I'll show you now what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so I already rinsed the strawberries and I took out obviously the stems, and it doesn't matter like if you chop them how small you cook them or how big you cook them, because I will be smashing them inside the pot to make my jam. Okay, so it really just, it's not a big deal. Okay, so here you go. It's all going to get smashed anyways at the end. Okay, and then we're going to be adding water. Okay, you don't want to add a lot of water. Okay, so going to be adding this much because the more water you add, the more liquidier it will get. So it just depends like on the thickness that you want your strawberries to be, I mean the jam. Okay, so we will be using 2 lime. Okay, we're going to squeeze them inside here, inside the pot to make our jam. Okay, so this is how I'm going to squeeze my limes. Okay, so just I'll be using 2. Okay, I'm trying to okay, I haven't even started. Okay, I turn this on again. Like, what I noticed is that if before the water gets hot, you want to add your cornstarch. Okay, and you want to keep mixing it in. Okay, that way it doesn't get like these huge balls. Okay, of cornstarch in there. You just kind of like, you fix it. Okay, so let me add this. Okay, so this says 1 tablespoon. So I will be adding 2 tablespoons if you really want it thick. Okay, and then after that I will be adding like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will be adding 5 tablespoons of sugar in here. Okay. Now, if you want it more sugary, right? You can always add like agave nectar on the side or maple syrup on the side, whatever. Okay. But this is what I'm gonna be doing. Okay. I'm gonna be making it like this. You know what? I'm gonna I don't like it sour sometimes, so I'm gonna add 6 tablespoons. Okay, 7 tablespoons, just to be on the safe side that it is sweet. Okay. And then I'm going to be squeezing the lime. Okay. Okay. So anyways, we're gonna do all 4. Okay. But for recording purposes, I am going to do it with the video recorder off. Okay, because I can't just do everything with one hand. Okay, so I have to give my daughter Luna credit for the lime recipe. She's the one that told me to add lime to the jam. One time she woke up very early and she made jam, and we used it obviously for our French toast. So okay, now I'm gonna be squishing everything. Okay, again, for recording purposes, I can't do this with one hand, so I'm going to turn the video off, and then I'll show you the results, okay, after I'm done. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of my cinnamon water in here, just a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to start squeezing everything. That the strawberry has begun thickening. Okay, strawberry jam has begun thickening. I'm gonna add some of my superfood powder in here. Okay, this bag already kind of contains like this little scoop in here, but like I said, I don't really know what size this is. It looks like 1 tablespoon. Yeah, it looks like exactly like 1 tablespoon. But for measuring purposes, so that you guys know how much I used in my jam, I will be using this one. Okay, and I will be adding it in here. Okay. So I used 1 tablespoon. Okay. And it smells so delicious, not gonna lie. Okay. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding smaller pieces of raw strawberry in my jam. Okay. And let's see. I already turned off the pot, the stove, so this is basically, this jam is ready to go. It's just going to thicken even as it gets colder. It's going to thicken up. Okay, so and then so they don't have to be perfect sizes. Now you're just gonna leave it in there like that. Okay. Small pieces too, it's easier to eat. Okay. There you go. And you don't squish these, okay? Just let them kind of be in there like that. Okay. Okay. So okay, so here are the eggs. I'm gonna be using 3 eggs. Okay, for measurement purposes, let me get a measurement spoon. So you will be using a teaspoon of vanilla. probably, you know what, let's do another one. Felt like that was 2 teaspoons then. Vanilla. Wait, vanilla extract. Okay. So, okay. Now you can also decide to use vanilla in here if you want. But personally, I'm just not gonna do it. Okay. So then you're going to add half and half. Okay. So honestly, I am eyeing it right now. It really, I mean, with 3 eggs, it seems like I used honestly like 1 cup of half and half for 3 eggs. Okay, and then you mix it. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be soaking up these two together. Double brochet, okay, toast. Now here in the pan, I already have it on, okay, and we're going to make sure that the pan's not hot. If the pan's hot, you're gonna burn up your what is it called? Your the butter. You don't want your butter to get burned, okay? Another thing is you gotta know your oven very, very well, okay? When I first got this electrical oven, used more power, okay, because it's three element, 1, 2, 3. So it used way more power than my other oven that I had, which was only 2, and I had to learn to adjust to the new way of cooking it, okay? But anyways, this is ready to go, okay? Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the jam. He approves. Baby food approved. Slice Nita. We tried the. He liked it. Le gustó. He said it's delicious. Ahí está, mira. Un toddler video. Right there. He gave it a 10. You told me right now. Taco vienes. Oh, wait. Te pasaste. See, I have to just make another video about squeezing all the oranges.